Bore pawb, and welcome to our end of half-term disco. Disco Hannah Tamar. I'm ready to do some disco dancing with you today, but also do a few of our classics as well. So there's some in there that you already know, and some new things as well. But before we go, we'll do our usual thing of checking the room. Edrych o gwmpas y stafell, neud yn siŵr bod digon o le. Make sure there's plenty of space to reach side to side, forward and back. Ooh, without tripping over your balloon. And make sure that all these moves today feel comfortable for you. So nothing too painful. Everything feels good. If something doesn't feel good for your body, leave it out and do a different move. That is absolutely fine. I won't be offended. Iawn. Cyn I ni fynd, nid yn siŵr bod ddŵr gyda chi I cael yn ystod y gwers. You've got some water to keep you going during the class, and that you've got a grown-up with you just looking after you today. Diane. Okay, let's put some music on then. And I'm going to be very careful not to trip up over my balloons today. It's been a close call already. Yeah. Take your gwmpas y stafell. Travelling around your room, dodging. Little thing. Imagine you've got balloons in your room. Can you dodge them? A heddiw, achos mae'n disgo, os dwi'n dweud un, dyn ni'n mynd I wneud. Diane, so un, night fever. Cario ymlaen. Os dwi'n dweud dau, dyn ni'n mynd I wneud. Hand jive. Diane. Okay. As if dwi'n dweud tri, dyn ni'n mynd I wneud y Macarena yn really gyflym. Dwylo, 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 dwylo. Ysgwyddau, pen, gliniau, siglo, a newid. Yeah? Okay, let's have a go. I like to move and move it. I like to move and move it. I like to move and move it. We like to move it. I like to move and move it. She like to move and move it. We like to move and move it. We like to move it. Partying man, partying man. Party this party got started like man. Big action. Pop up the volume, stick 'em last done. Shake up the ground, shake up the ground. Shake like a earthquake. Diane Bitham. Gallop side to side. I know it. That's why. Tree. That's why. Yes, that's why. Keep on doing what I'm doing, y'all. Ready. Running around that room. E. Slow motion. I like to move and move it. I like to move and move it. We like to move it. I like to move and move it. She like to move and move it. We like to move and move it. We like to carry them Larry cells nice and low. You be fast even though you're low to the ground is quite hard. We might have to crawl. Backwards. Say ho ho ho. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Yo, somebody say yeah. Say yeah. Shake it up. I'm ready. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. E. Give me more, die. I like the move and move it. E. I like the move and move it. Die. I like the move and move it. We like the backwards. She like to shake it. She like to shake it. She like to shake it. Yeah, shake it, yeah. Tree. Macarena. We like the body. We like the body. We like to. We like to move and move it. We like to move and move it. They like to move and move it. Move it. E. Tree. Know it. Yeah, good warm up, guys. Have a little bit of water.
Os ydych chi'n dawnsio gyda ni heddiw, galad gyda neges yn y chat. We've got messages in the chat, and Gemma can let me know what you're saying. And you'll get a big shout out. Okay, barod I ysgwyd allan? Siglo mas? Okay. Mae'n mynd lan y ddwylo. Lan y breichyn. Oh, ladies, nice and dwym. A siglo. Beth am ysgwydder? Ooh, that's nice. And that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see. I'm busy on my own. Make the moves as I go. And kill say? That's what they don't know. This is Kevin. Come on, is it nice and join? Voila! Diana, Siglamas! Beth am ysgwydder? Beth am y coesau? Dyfan nhw lan. Gyd o'n ffordd lawr. And the bus has tried. A nôl yn y cefn. Ooh, a penol. Bydd e'n nice and doim. Barod I cydbwyso. Newid? What coesa? Coesa a brechian nofio? Corneli? Siglo popeth? Pen? What? Da iawn. Oh, dwi'n mynd bach yn mwy ddoem nawr. Oh, bore da, Carys a I o Ysgol Pwnseni. Bore da.
Mambo number 5.
Ooh. Now this is my favourite disco song from when I was in school discos.
Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't want
bigger.
Be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay because talk is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really bag you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in and sing in the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Monica by my side. A little bit of Tina, all I need. A little bit of Tina is what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.
Barrett, slide it out. Canol, Amas. Canol, Amas.
Mambo number 5.
Hop, hop, loud. Hop, hop, loud.
Take one step left and one step right. One to the front and one to the side.
Then I'm a robot.
And clap your hands twice, and if it looks like this, then you're doing it. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita, all I need, a little bit of Tina is what I see.
With a mashed potato.
Long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.
Slide. Slide. Kick. Swap. Kick. Swap.
The trumpet. Mambo number 5. A little bit of Monica in my life.
Meg.
A little bit of
Good
Erica by my
yeah,
side.
Meg.
A little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.
Skip your own help. I'm trying to relax. Right. Kicks. Swap. Swap. Diane P. Gael dyma bach o ddŵr, and I'm going to move my curtains so I can see. Oh, that was really dark, like a disco. Yeah, dyma bach o ddŵr. I'm going to get these legs going. Yeah, side, left, side, left. Lendinovia. Yeah, and did you siglo? Apa pun in headphone? Marching on the spot. Step, hop. Trophy. Swipe. 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 How's that? It's like a limbo. What? Novia? Get ya. Loud. Novia, your screen. Backwards. Ah, Novia. Backwards. Yeah. Tipping back mwy o ddŵr. And I'm going to get a little bit brighter in here. Neither too much. Oh no, son. Yeah. Ar y llaw heddiw, dwi wedi mynd i fod ar ein pengliniau. A dwi'n mynd i rolio ar pen olau ni. Barod. Barod hwnna. Go! Reach. Reach. Unwaith. Swing those legs around. And fast. Barod ar y pengliniau. Rolio ffordd fyna. Barod, ewch! Demoi! Barod i sefyll. Beth am adio? Pull up, open. Start snakey snake. Skip ya. Skip before that. Right, I've got a balloon here, but you're going to pretend that you have a balloon for this last little bit of stretchy moment. So can you imagine you're holding a balloon and you're really reaching it up to the sky as high as you can.
I want more berries.
Anthony Mindy Stigler.
It's so wonderful and warm.
And put your balloon in and out.
I don't know if I could ever go
Out.
I'm just
In to the side.
I don't know if
To the other side.
ever go watermelon sugar.
Throw it.
Watermelon sugar.
And hopefully catch it.
Watermelon sugar.
Throw it.
Watermelon sugar.
And catch it. Can you throw it and catch it on a different body part? So throwing that balloon up at there. Because that's right.
Baby, you're the angel.
Bit of our heaven.
I want your day. And it's summer feeling.
Bit our pen.
Breathe me in, breathe me out.
Ian Morris, better. Pegleen. Go messing in. Everybody's the screen. Hours in. Touch those toes. Going down to a crouch. And out and in. Out. And in. Swing those legs round. Reaching up tall. Get to those toes. Scoop it in.
Evening, and it sounds just like a song.
Here, Moy.
I want your belly, and it's summer feeling. I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar. Watermelon sugar.
Come on, spin throw. Up and around. Switch round. That's cool. Collapse on the floor. Brill. Da iawn chi am ddachi gyda fi heddiw a na gweld chi ar ôl hanner tymor. I see you after the half term. So a little bit of a break and I'll see you a little bit later on a Tuesday after half term. Da iawn chi.
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. My girlfriend name is Sinora.